This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Carol Carpenter, P.A.B.R., CRS, EPRO. Welcome to the rarely available Sandpiper Great Room Floorplan by Toll Brothers. You will love the volume ceilings, custom window coverings, ceramic tile flooring that comes with this 3-bedroom, den, 3-bath home. And best of all, your view of a natural cypress preserve where the wood storks come in the winter. And the herons and egrets visit daily. They are truly snowbirds. This open kitchen has ample cabinets and new limestone countertops. Butler's pantry has wine chiller, and the formal dining room is great for all those special occasions. The great room is the perfect size to entertain guests, watch TV, or just relax and enjoy a bestseller novel. The breakfast nook is great for all of those casual meals. You will love your morning coffee out on the Lanai, looking at all of the bird life in the dedicated preserve for as far as the eye can see. Brand new roof just installed. The luxurious master suite is spacious with a sitting area, large walk-in closet, and spa-like master bath with fully tiled shower stall, soaking tub, and separate his and her vanities. The den/office can serve as a great area for business as well as a spill-over bedroom when you have all the family visiting at once. The sanctuary neighborhood is located just inside the north gate for ease in coming and going. Pelican Landing is located on the west side of US 41 on 2,400 acres nestled along Estero Bay with lake, preserve, and golf views throughout. Pelican Landing has the most amenities for the lowest annual HOA fees of any community in Lee or Collier counties. No other community has a private 34-acre beach island, 12 tennis courts with full-time tennis director, pickleball courts with more coming, bocce ball, canoe and kayak center, and miles of biking and jogging trails. Pelican's Nest has 36 holes of championship golf designed by Tom Fazio with golf and social memberships available with short wait list. Your Florida home awaits. For more information, review the details below or contact Carol Carpenter, P.A.B.R., CRS, EPRO at 239-246-3316.